We now know the input-output table. Let's look at input-output modeling. The strength of I/O models is that they can trace the supply chain backwards, based on limited information. First, we need a data model of the company. Let's look at the example of Cotton & Co. Input-output modeling starts with the information the company already has. Cotton & Co.'s financial procurement data of its direct suppliers. How much money has Cotton & Co. paid to the suppliers who produce the t-shirts in different countries? This information allows us to isolate an individual company out of global trade relationships, a bit like cutting a piece of cake out of the global economy. To achieve this, we make two assumptions. Assumption 1. Cotton & Co. purchases the t-shirt from the textile industry in another country, for instance, Turkey. In the model, we map the t-shirts to the textile industry in this country. This means that we assume that all t-shirts produced in Turkey have the same environmental impact, the impact known from official statistics. Assumption 2. We do not measure the t-shirts produced in Turkey for Cotton & Co. in pieces or tons. We measure them in terms of value, expressed in export volume in economic currency. These assumptions allow a structural analysis of the supply chain of the company. Back to our example. We now did the following. We mapped the Tier 1 purchases, so the ones from Cotton & Co.'s direct suppliers, to industries. Drawing on satellite accounts, we now estimate how much water was likely consumed by Cotton & Co.'s direct suppliers, or how many occupational diseases likely occurred. But we still do not have the full supply chain. Continue with Chapter 5. Modeling a company's supply chain.